and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about what I'm going to do with each individual plant of the ones I got from my orchid haul from Großräschener. This is my second haul from Großräschener, and as I said in my orchid haul videos, I'm really pleased with this nursery. I like them a lot, and I think they're the best. It's been the best nursery from abroad, I might add, that I bought from. So yeah, I can recommend that nursery to you. As I already told you, but well, as I usually do after a haul, I present what I'm gonna do with each individual plant, if I'm gonna repot it, or if I'm gonna let it stay in the media it arrived in, or what to do. It's my BLC Golden Cell. Anyways, you can see I've been putting it in a clay pot, and you wonder why, and this is why. This one, I think it's about to flower. I wouldn't want to disturb it too much, but as you can see, it's in a desperate need of a repotting. The latest roots are hanging all over the side of the pot, and I don't like it. Eventually they will die off, and well, yeah, you can see here's the newest growth with a sheath in it, and yeah, and soon it's gonna be a new growth here. It's already a huge eye here. Yeah, so I don't really want to depend on this root system, so no, it's no use burying it in bark or anything. I think it's going to die off if I do so. But it's a good thing that it's sitting in bark, since I wanna use bark a little bit more in the future for certain kinds of cattleyas, at least. Yeah, so I will just wait for this new growth to appear and for it to flower before I do anything about this guy. And it's really top heavy, so I have to put her in this clay pot so it won't fall on my windowsill. That was about that guy. Let's see here. And this one is BLC Crisping Rosales lucan, and this one is sitting in pure sphagnum moss, it looks like, and this is gonna be, it doesn't smell bad or anything, so I think it can stay in this media for a while. And it's also got itself a new little growth coming out there, so it's gonna get a new root system before long. But I'm just gonna rip the whole plant up out of this plastic pot and put it in this clay pot instead. So yeah, it's gonna be okay. I don't want to disturb it. And this one, I never remember the name. It's LC Memoria Robert Strait Islander Delight. Anyways, I'm gonna do the same with this guy. I'm gonna rip the whole plant up out of his plastic pot and place it in this one instead, and maybe fill up the edges a little bit with some new sphagnum moss. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do with this guy. It's gonna take a few seconds. I'm gonna leave it there until it's established in my environment. And for this guy, the one with the buds, which I don't really think are alive anymore, but who knows. Anyways, the newest growth here, you can see 1 and 2. It has not yet started to produce any new roots here, as you can see. So I'm gonna wait till I can see some new roots emerging, or perhaps I can repot it. Well, yeah, maybe I should yeah, I think it's okay for me to repot it. Since it's sitting in bark, I just want to wait a little bit to see if the buds are going to develop or if they're really dead. So just wait a week or so. We'll see. Then I'm going to make a repotting video about this guy. Yeah, and now to my special orchid. The cause of why I made this haul from the beginning is this Dimorphorchis lovii. It's sitting in plain, yeah, it's sitting in almost plain bark. A few pieces of sphagnum moss I can see, but it's gonna stay in this pot. I don't dare doing anything with it. So I made a few ventilation holes in the bottom. Yeah. And it's going to be sitting in this clay pot with some rocks in it, in this plastic pot. And I'm going to go with my sprayer and I'm going to spray it. Because I want it to be a little bit damp, but not too much. Since it's such a young plant still, it needs the moisture. But I don't want it to be soggy, so yeah, I have to be careful with this one, of course. Yeah. Alright, this was all. So thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.